Guys, how are you all doing? Today I'll be teaching you some important trading lessons that would be required for you to be profitable in trading. So let's get started. The first and foremost, which is the most important topic that I'm going to discuss today, would be support and resistance. The first, let's understand what's a support and what's a resistance. See, many a times you must have observed that the price goes up, then it comes down, then it again goes up, it again comes down, it again might have gone up, and it again breaks this level. It would come here and then it goes down. So what do I understand here? See, the price went up here, went up here, went up here, and each time it got rejected. So I draw a zone right here. And what do I term this zone? What is this? This is a resistance. The price resists from this level. And what do I see here? What is this? Tell me. Write in the comment section. This is a support. Now, if I just extend it towards the right, you can see that the support has been broken and the traders again tend to make decisions at this point right here. But now when the price reaches this level here, the person who has taken a long at this zone, whoever has taken long right here, or right here, will try to exit his position as soon as the price reaches here. So what he is doing is, he is mounting a selling pressure. The buying pressure will be reduced. See, we have got two people here. We have got two types of people here. See, number one would be new sellers, and number two is pupil. Should write pupil without stop loss, exiting in hurry. Okay, so this support is going to turn into a resistance, and as soon as the price will reach here, we are aiming for a straight downward move. You enter right here, you keep your stop loss right here, and you just keep your targets right here. So you see, this would be your stop loss and this all would be your take profit targets. Let's make it more clear. Now you see, I'll show you live examples in a moment. First, just observe. The price goes up, it will go down, it will go up, it will go down, it will go up, it will go down. So whenever the price comes here, what are you going to do? Question mark, question mark. The more likelihood would be you enter right here, you take your stop here, and you take your take profits right here and right here. Okay, this would be your entry, and this is what I'm expecting. Let's see another move. Let's suppose the price is again in a range, it's creating a support and a resistance, and it breaks this. All right, it breaks this. What I am expecting now, I am expecting the price to come here and I'll take a buy and boom, up. So I am going to enter right here. My take profits will be up there and my stop loss will be just below this level. Okay, another scenario. The price makes this level, This is your support, this will be your resistance. It breaks down. I am trying to take a short. Okay, the price moves down a bit, but then boom, what happened? Your initial stop loss got hit. Your stop loss must have been right there. Your TP1 might have been missed or might have been triggered, but your TP2 and the final target wouldn't have been triggered because it couldn't even reach this low. I would have kept my take profit one at this and not at this. Okay, so I would be booking a loss. Now, what has the market done here? The market has outsmarted us. Okay, we have been trapped. So as soon as you get trapped, just get out of your position and try to make a new entry. So what could be the new entry? It again comes down here and it shows a slight movement here. I would enter right at this moment with my stop loss below this level, take profit at this first level, and TP2 would be way higher, at least 1:3. So this would be my trade. Okay, this trade, and you would see boom, the price went straight up. Now let's see one more interesting scenario. The price moves up and down, up and down, up and down. This would be your support, this would be your resistance. Let's see. Let's say the price went down, it came back up here, you planned a short, but somehow your stop loss got triggered. It went right up, it came down here, you entered here, and again boom, it went straight down. Again your stop loss got hit. See, first you got played here, second time you got played here. The probability of this happening is so low that you shouldn't even consider this example. All right, the probability of this happening is very, very low. But even if it happens, never mind. What you should be looking at this level is that if you want to take a buy, now at least let the price break this, come back here and take an entry right here. Or if you want to re-enter at this level. All right, you'll get a win and you'll recover all your losses. But the probability of this happening is very low. Okay, now let's look at so let's see what the market says. I would make not a text, I want a rectangle. I want this rectangle right here. This would be what? This would have been my support. All right, I would have drawn this right here. And this would be my resistance. What do I observe? The first candle of 21st July breaks this. See, you didn't see this break because this candle was 19th July, Saturday, and this was 21st July. The market was closed for 2 days. Okay, so this support has actually been broken. And what have I explained you right here? What have I explained you? I will show you again. Don't worry. I have told you if this is a support, if the price bounces up and the price breaks it, what are you going to do here? Are you going to buy or you are going to sell? See, the price can even go higher. I'm not denying that. But the probability of it happening and this failing, this second move failing is very low. The market can play us one time, but it won't play you another time, and even if you get played, you won't get played here. This will definitely go up. Okay, the probability of trading with logics is really good. You won't be getting too many losses in a row. Sometimes you might get 3 loss or 4 loss in a row, but if you are getting like 9 or 10 losses in a row, your psychology is really bad. So what I'm going to expect here, I'm expecting the price to go up and give a sharp move down. See, the price went up. What am I seeing here? What is this candle called? This is a hammer candle. Why I'm saying it a hammer candle? Because can you see this wick? There is a wick above. The price went up here and then sharply came down. The price went up there and sharply came down. There's a sharp selling. There's a sharp selling happening here. There is a very sharp selling happening here, and then a big fat red candle. This is a very big fat engulfing candle with no wick above. There was no buying pressure here. The price went straight down. Okay, so what am I expecting now? I know that we are going down. Easily you can keep your stop loss, at least keep it above this red candle. You can target 1:1.5, which is my favorite number. Favorite and back tested, right? And my take profit got hit. Okay, now let's consider another examples. What would you have done after this? Now see, once the price goes down like this, what are my new levels? Tell me, what are your new levels? Your new levels are this, and what is your another new level? Tell me. Your new level is this. What are you expecting here? The price has gone up, it is again coming down. What are you expecting here? You are easily expecting it to go up, right? Okay, take a long. Keep your stop loss right here. Enter a long. Take it to 1:1.5 at least, and then trail the rest, or book and your entire profits here. Okay, I booked it right, but if you would have trailed, see how long the price has gone. See, you cannot capture the entire move each and every time. So stop fantasizing. I would call fantasizing only. Now you see there's a resistance right here too. The price has created a resistance here. The price has shown fall after coming here. So what am I expecting? What am I expecting? I am expecting the price to go down. I am expecting the price to go down. So where would I take a short? This big fat red candle. This has given me the conviction that yes, we are going down. I would have targeted at least this. And it's also 1:1.5, and this is also my old support. I would have targeted this, but somehow my stop loss got hit. Okay, my stop loss got hit. And you see, as soon as my stop loss got hit, I got another entry right here. I would have entered right here. My stop loss would be right here, and I would target at least 1:1.5. See, I've won again. And this was my old resistance. You remember this resistance? I've extended it. What am I seeing? That the price blasted and it's again coming at this level. What am I expected to do right here? As soon as I see a buying pressure increase, I'll do this. Okay, 1:1.5 at least, and you can trail it. Now you tell me one thing. Do you see something right here? This was a resistance. The price came up, but this is not even an engulfing candle. this candle right here, you see this candle's body couldn't even close below this. And do you see this strong wick in the downward direction? What does this signify? That the price wanted to go down, but the buyers pushed it up. The price wanted to go down, but the buyers pushed it up right away. That means the buyers are still alive. If I would have seen a strong wick on the above, if I would have seen a strong wick, this strong wick above this red candle, I would have thought the opposite. I would have thought that the price wanted to go up but immediately came down. Okay, there was a sharp selling, but here there's a sharp buying. And what is this buy? These are all market orders. Okay, somebody is buying in very heavy quantity, so that means the move hasn't ended yet. And if you extend this level right here, you get another buy opportunity. See, you got another buying opportunity right here too. Now as soon as the price got here, if you were lucky enough, you would have, if you would have managed to get an entry somewhat here, it would have been good. But if you are placing your entry right here, something is wrong with your brain, because then 1:1.5 would mean somewhat here, and taking such a big stop loss when the market's average momentum in 1 minute would be around what, around $1, I would say, and here this candle is somewhat around $2. So this is right, this is almost double the momentum. If you would have managed your entry somewhat here, that would have been fine, but taking such a big stop loss will eventually lead you to hitting your stop loss, so that's not recommended. Yeah, you would have taken this trade. This is an excellent trade. Keep it to 1:1.5. I have told you multiple times. Even if you keep your stop loss right here, see, 1:1.5 is hit. 1:1.5. I have, now you would ask me, how have you arrived to 1:1.5? Why is it your favorite number? So okay, I'll explain you, but I'll explain you in my next video why 1:1.5 is the best risk to reward according to me. Okay, that is a topic for my next video. Now you see, do you see this resistance? Do you see this resistance? Do you see this resistance? What is the price doing here? It's taking, it's falling. Take your stop here. 1:1.5 should be your minimum first target, and all these should be your remaining targets. Do you see this support right here? I've extended it. What am I seeing here? A small buy, but that's a really small buy. If you see what the candle has done here, there is a very small wick down and there is a huge wick up. What does this signify? That the price went up and immediately came down. That the price went up and immediately came down, and it has hardly engulfed this candle. See, the close of this candle is very near to this wick. It's very near, and the wick of this red candle is also very small. It's not giving that, you know, that gut feeling that the price is going to go up. I would not personally trade based on just this small green candle. That would be a disaster. So what do I expect now? That the price has gone down, and as soon as I see this big fat red candle, I would have taken a short. See, I would have fallen for this trap. Even I am not perfect. I don't say I'm perfect. I don't say I win every trade. I just say that I win most of my trades. And how do I win most of my trades? I'm showing you right away. See, I have lost this trade. I have lost this trade, but I have gotten another opportunity. I got another opportunity to take a shot right here. Right here. See, this shot won. Did it win? Yes. But the person who is looking to short here and who got stopped out would now be thinking of a buy right here. Okay? Never mind. Take a buy. Another stop loss hit. What did I say you? That this level is getting played. So you wait for another level. You wait for this. You wait till the price crosses this. You wait till the price crosses this. Or you wait till the price crosses this. The price has crossed down. Alright. You see this move? Take a shot right here. Take a shot right here. 1:1.5 at least. Easy win. And it has given you a till 1:2. I would say 1:2.5, but 1:2 would be much better. Alright. You won the third time. Now, what am I seeing here? What am I seeing here? That it is a sharp bull run. See, I would have extended this resistance right here, and what am I seeing? That the price just broke it and it is showing a bullish momentum, and I am seeing a really big rally. So I would just take this stop and continue riding it. See, I would have fallen for this. I would have thought that the price is going to go down after this big fat rejection and this engulfing. I would have exited here at 1:5.6. And you can easily see that the move didn't last very long. Then the market started ranging and eventually it fell. Okay. So now let's see what you would have done here. This is a resistance. This is a resistance, and what would have been your support? This would have been your support. What am I expecting? That the price comes here and we take a short, or the price goes up and takes a pullback and again I take a long. What did I do here? The price went up, took a support. I would have entered here, but my stop loss got hit. My stop loss got hit. Now what am I expecting? What am I expecting? I am expecting to take a short. My stop loss would have been at least above this. At least above this. Because the market has swept people till this zone. Till this zone. Keep your stop loss a little above this. What I have shown here. Okay. Even if you would have kept it here, it would have given you a good return. See, 1:2 is easily done. If you would have kept it somewhat here, a more conservative approach, 1:1.5 is easily done. Okay, so you would have won the second time. Now let's see. Let's say this is your support. The price has broken this, but the price had taken a pullback, couldn't break, it went straight up. That means this level is not being respected, and this level won't be respected for some time. So let's just forget this level for some time. Another level we've got is this. The nearest level is this. What am I expecting? That the price moves down. Okay, that the price moves down, and I see that means traders are participating in this. I would take another shot. See, such a beautiful. You would have, even if you would have entered right here, you would have managed to gain at least 1:1.5, or 1:2, 1:3. That would be wonderful. Now what am I going to do? I see a minor level here, and I would have seen this level right here. Let's delete this. What I'm trying to tell is I am seeing one level here, one level here. The price has gone down. What am I expecting? That the price goes up, pulls back up, and I take another short trade. I would have entered right here, and eventually my stop loss got hit. I didn't get what I want. Okay, so now what am I expecting? That the price goes up, that the price goes up and takes a support, because the price is not in my favor. Once my stop loss gets hit, I am expecting the price to go long. But what the price does, it as soon as it goes up, it again comes down. So taking a long at this level is not advisable. What I would do is I would wait for the price to go below this, or I would wait for the price to go above my previous level and then decide what to do. So the price couldn't even break this level and it's creating a mess here. I would shift my level to this. I would be waiting for something here or something here. And what I see once the price reaches here is I see a support. Okay, I see a support. I would have bought here. I would have bought here, stop loss a little down and take profit at least till this level. Okay, you would have easily won this. Now some people would say, see my stop loss would have got hit here, my stop loss would have got hit here. So okay, for them I'm going to explain you the candle psychology. The price comes down here, the price goes up, and see this wick is greater than this wick. This is a huge wick. The price tried to go up and sharp selling created this huge wick. That means sellers are still active. They want to pull the price more down. The price comes down, the price goes up, again there's a sharp selling. But this candle looks a lot bullish because I'm showing you, it has broken this level. This huge green candle has broken this level, and if you see, the wicks are almost equal, or you would say that this wick is greater than this. That means there are more buyers than sellers. Sellers are very less, buyers are very much. That means this candle you would have entered right here. And where would be your stop loss? You could have kept your stop loss at this level. Keeping a stop loss down there makes no sense. Either you keep your stop loss just below this candle or just below the recent level. If you would have entered right there, just take your take profit to 1:1.5 and easily you would have won. Now for going down, we have this major level right there. What am I expecting? That the price goes up and then takes a support and then goes back up, but the price straight went down. See, there was a level there and there was another level right here. Some folk must have entered right here with his stop loss here and take profit somewhat here, and his stop must have got triggered. Don't worry, wait for the price to come here and see what it does. As soon as the price comes here, what am I seeing? I'm seeing a very bad candle. Why is it bad? because the body is very small. There are huge wicks up and down, and I cannot even decide what to do next. I would, and I am telling you to ignore these type of doji candles. Ignore this candle, ignore this candle. See, this candle is really good. A move down, a bullish engulfing candle with a huge wick down. That means they tried to push the price down, but straight back up, straight back up. That means this huge wick is really good. So enter right there, keep your stop here, and easy win 1 is to 1.5, or just trail it. Okay, you would have won this trade. So now you must have got some idea about trading supply, demand, support, resistance, whatever you call it. Now you must have got some basic idea about how to trade. This was all for today. I'll keep sharing new videos each and every day. If you want, I can even trade with these strategies live in the market, but I would do it again after I reach at least 1,000 subscribers, because I posted a live. I did a live some days back. I would say, I think about 2 or 3 days back, and there are only 9 views on that video. That really hurts me. I was live for around 3 to 4 hours. I was posting my exact analysis there, and there were no views. It doesn't give a good sense to me to keep posting videos again and again, to keep going live if there are no views. So that really hurt me. So I've thought that once I get 1,000 subscribers, or once I keep getting sufficient amount of views daily, I would start doing live again. These strategies work in everyday markets. Today I have shown gold chart. See how well it is working in gold. This works in crypto. This works in forex. This works in your Indian markets. This works everywhere. You only need to be patient, and you need to have a good risk management, a very good risk management. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. For further updates, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what topic you want to do next in the video. Thank you.